Hey kids, welcome back. Welcome to today's lesson that is going to be very easy lesson because we have quiz. Yay! I hope you had a great time yesterday doing the activities of fractions, like understanding how to compare fractions. On Monday's class, there is going to be a complement class of that one of yesterday, so you get some good insight about the rules that you can keep in mind when comparing fractions, okay? So let me walk through today's activities. So first of all, you're gonna do a mental math activity. You are already acquainted with this, but this is going to be different because I have the audio, okay? So we are going to actually have a mental math quiz. Last week, it was like a written quiz because the questions were written, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is to read these instructions very carefully. And then you're gonna go here and click where it says Mental Math 2 Quiz Audio, okay? When you click there, it is going to send you to this page, okay? Where the audio of the mental math is going to be. Then you're going to go back here and you're gonna click on your class quiz, okay? I'm going to click into C because it's the one that I have opened. Well, I already did that one, so you cannot see it, but I'm going to show it through this way. Okay, it is going to appear this page, this one, okay? That this is like the answer sheet for your quiz, okay? You have to resize the windows because you will have the need to have one that is your audio and then your answer sheet, okay? So don't forget to resize your window so you can have both windows open at the same time. And you're gonna click here in play, okay? I know you can pause the audio. I know that. So what I want to warn you is that if you pause your audio, this quiz is going to have time, okay? So if you pause the audio, you may lose time to go through all of the questions. Remember, you have 20 questions and only 10 minutes to do it. So I advise you not to pause it because you're gonna waste time for the rest of the questions that you have here, okay? And then you click submit or finish attempt here, and it is going to send the results, okay? Then you have to go back to the main page, like where the activities are, here, this part, where it says the date. And you're gonna try and attempt these 5 quiz I have here of different topics of geometry, okay? This is going to help you as a preparation for the final exam because these topics are going to be included. I'm going to show you how they look like. All of them are kind of the same. So here are some information for you to read it if you don't remember about it. And you begin your quiz. It is very easy. So you have the question, the answers, you have to click to the answer. Here it shows you how much time you have used to answer the quiz and which of your answers have been right and which of your answers have been wrong, okay? At the end, it is going to give you like a grade, so please keep track of that grade so you know how well you're doing in these topics, or if you have to go back and review in the workbook or in the textbook for these topics, okay? And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's class. It's very cool. It's not that hard, difficult. And see you on Monday. Bye-bye.